welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I'm here with a brand new unboxing of a subscription box called Hello Jaine. Now this is a box for nail technicians and nail lovers alike, and it says you'll receive a fun nail related a shirt, along with a genuine a pair of leather earrings. Oh, and if there's a holiday the following month, your box will be themed in that theme. So for example, like if you order by October 15th, your package will be Thanksgiving, Halloween themed for that month. So and then each month will be a surprise. So you get nail technician apparel, genuine leather earrings, and a holiday theme. So like I said, this is $35 a month, and you choose which size shirt you would like. You receive a shirt, and the sizes range from extra small to a size 3X. And you can get black, white, or gray. And you have to order by the 10th, and your package will ship on or before the 25th of the month. And they do ship worldwide from the United States, and you can cancel anytime, and it does renew automatically. So this is what the package looks like when it arrived on my doorstep, and it is nice and soft. And here is the front. There is definitely a t-shirt in here. So let's see what we have inside of this. My nose is itchy today. This package, I am excited to see this because I get my nails done every month, have for 20 plus years. I am absolutely a nail enthusiast. So let's see. Here's what you can't really see inside there, but let's see. I'm gonna pull my little bundle out. See if I can get it out without making. There we go. And then it's just wrapped up in a little bundle here. And oh, okay. And then there's some stuff on the top. Oh, some glitter. I see some glitter. So there's a card here, and it says nail box subscription, 6 exclusive glitters for $25 a month by Cordoza. And that must be another nail subscription box. That's cool. I'll have to check that out. You had me at glitter, girl. I love glitter. And here is our earrings. Oh, aren't they just cute? And they are definitely leather. And they're glittery. I love glitter. I love glitter. Oh, those are so cute. I'm gonna have to put them in right now because you know me, and I just got to put them in. Okay. Let's see if I can get them in. Oh. Come on now. Don't be a pain in my buns. Why can't I get them in? What did I do? Did I do it wrong? I think I messed it up. Is there a trick to it? Am I supposed to snap it? I hope I didn't break them. Yeah, I think you're supposed to do it that way. I did it the wrong way. Let's try it now. Okay, well, 20 minutes later, I finally got them in, but holy guacamole, that took forever. And they are very hard to get in. They were extremely hard to get in. I don't know if it was my ears were closing up on me or what, but woo-wee. But I got them in. I like them. They're really light. They do not like pull on my ears at all. So I like them. Very cute, very cute. Okay, and then we have a card here, and it says Hello Jane on it, which is indeed the name of the box, or the, well, bag. And Arian, I think that's how you say her name, Arien, Goss, and then it has phone number, and where passion meets fashion. And that is the name of this subscription box. And then we have some wonderful glitter. I love glitter. I love glitter. It is my fave. I just love glitter. And it says thank you on it. Love it. And then here is made in Montana. And it says on the back, JC Creations, another barnwood decor and jewelry. Charlie Pelvet, designer, owner, Sydney, Montana. And that must be who made, I mean, the earrings. I'm thinking that's who made these earrings. They are very cute. I like them. They are very cute. And then now on to the t-shirt of it all. Let's see what t-shirt they have sent me. Oh, isn't that just cute? That's so cute. Move the junk out of the wrapper out of the way. And here is the t-shirt, and it has a nail polish bottle on it, and it is just a black long sleeve t-shirt, which I highly appreciate, a good long sleeve t-shirt. And it says Hello Jane on it, and the t-shirt is Bella and Canvas heirloom jersey. And this is in a size large. I got it in a large because t-shirts tend to shrink, so you know. But there is the logo. A little hard to see if I'm got it positioned right. There we go. It says Hello Jane. That is very cute. I like that. And it is, hopefully I'm showing the glitter. It's got glitter on it. Very cute. I like that. It's just a plain back. I do like that. So cute, so cute, so cute. Very cute. So that is it for my Hello Jane bag this month. I was very excited to get this because, well, I love glitter. You know, what girl doesn't love glitter, right? I certainly do. And if you would like to get your own Hello Jane, if you are a nail lover, if you're a nail technician and you would like to get this bag, I will leave the link below, and you can head on over and get your own Hello Jane bag sent directly to your home. And I think you'll love it too. And who wouldn't love these light earrings? I love them. They're so light. They don't bother my ears, and I feel like I could wear them all day long and they would not pull on my ears and make my ears sore. Most earrings make my ears, like, because of the tug, but I like them. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you next time in my next video real soon. And that is it. Bye now.